Hey guys, and welcome to a very small and very quick Bricklink order opening. This should just be minifigs, I believe. So let's just get right into it because it's, like I said, it's not a whole lot. Trying to see where I need to cut this out so it's not damaging. All right. This was just a quick, small order. This store happened to specialize more in minifigs, and there was a couple minifigs I really just wanted to get. Of course, when you start getting minifigs, especially if it's special ones, the price kind of goes up on your order. And so this order pretty much costs as much as like a regular, one of my regular normal orders. I normally only spend between, I'd say between 30 and 60, just depends, you know, like per order. But this one here was in between that. So, but one in particular, I think you'll understand once you see it. Wow, they got tape. Sorry about that. Wow. They kind of like taped the bag too. There we go. All right, so we're in a classic sandwich bag. All right, so let's just dump it out, see what we got. First off, this is my clown Trevor. I've been wanting an extra one of him. I've had him for a while, and I did some stop motion videos with him in the past, but he's getting worn out, so I needed a backup Trevor. All right, and then here we have Alfred on Vacation. I believe it's from the Lego movie. I think the Lego Batman movie. So I like the Batman plate as well. That's really cool. All right, here we have a female surfer. We are currently working on a, we've just added the infrastructure to start a beach. I do need to do a video of what we've done over this weekend to show off what's going on there. So yeah, that definitely needs to happen because our Lego City has completely changed from the video that we posted before. Okay, so here we also have, I think this was a cheaper one that I decided to grab to kind of like even up the cost. This is one my wife wanted. It is love the hair on that. Wow, that's really good hair. Yeah, this is really cool. Too bad she doesn't have a second face. Yeah, she's like working out. She's got her water bottle. She's ready to stay hydrated. And yeah, do her training boot camp or whatever she's in the middle of doing. So there you go, we got her too. And we are starting to do some Harry Potter figs as well, some of the ones I've missed. So we've got Ron. Love the hair on Ron. I think it's like similar to the surfer guys that you normally see. And then last but not least, here is the main event character. And for as much as he should have been on a base plate too. But here we have Nick Fury, black vest or black trench coat. Something I'm doing specifically with him. That's going to be completed. I think I have an order that's coming, and I think it's going to complete. Yeah, it should complete what I'm missing to set the scene, except for a few additional things that I'm going to add later on, maybe next weekend. You'll understand when you see it. But he's the reason for the order. And so yeah, super excited. I will be before I release this, I will hold off on releasing the video until I can show you the scene. So that will be part of the video. So yeah, until then, we'll see you next time. Take care.